In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide a row in Smartsheet, step by step. This is a simple but extremely useful trick when you're working with large sheets and want to keep things clean, organized, and easy to read without deleting any important data. Whether you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or sharing sheets with clients or teammates, hiding rows can make a big difference. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Smartsheet. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the sheet where you want to hide a row. Make sure the sheet is opened in grid view because this method works best there. Take a moment to locate the specific row that you want to hide. Next, click directly on the row you want to hide. You can do this by clicking on any cell within that row. When the row is selected, you'll see the entire row highlighted, confirming that it's active. Now, right-click on the selected cell or anywhere within that row. This will open a context menu with several options related to row actions. From this menu, look for the option called Make Child Row. Go ahead and click on Make Child Row. What this does is indent the selected row under the row above it, turning it into a child row. After you make the row a child row, look to the left side of the parent row. You'll notice a small arrow icon appear next to the parent row. This arrow controls whether the child rows are visible or hidden. Now, simply click on that arrow. When you click it, the child row collapses and becomes hidden from view. Your row is now hidden but not deleted. All the data is still there and can be accessed again at any time. If you ever need to show the hidden row again, just click the arrow once more and the child row will expand and reappear. This makes it incredibly easy to hide and unhide rows whenever you need to focus on specific sections of your sheet. This method is especially useful for hiding completed tasks, archived information, or extra details that you don't need to see all the time, but still want to keep for reference. And that's it. You've successfully hidden a row in Smartsheet using child rows in the collapse arrow. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy Smartsheet tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.